If I only had 10 minutes to do my hair before work, here's what I do. If you already have a curl or a wave in your hair, that's great. This is assuming you haven't done anything. I want to apologize in advance because I have an antique. This is a Conair from, y'all, I truly don't even know. The numbers are faded. That's how old this thing is. I've had it at least, I don't know, 6-7 years at least. But first things first, please make sure you do some type of heat protectant if you're going to be adding any type of heat to your hair. I'm a firm believer in it. Now, we are obviously limited on time, so just quickly get one section out of the way. The other section. Grab a curling iron and start to curl. The key here is to make this as simple and quick as possible. So I find that putting my hair into one ponytail or two ponytails gives me the fastest results. It's not going to be a perfect curl, but it is going to be some type of wave and texture added to your hair. This process for me takes anywhere from about 6 to 8 minutes. Now at this point, you can go ahead and do your bangs if you decide that you want bangs. Once I've quickly curled my entire hair, I grab my Moroccan oil. I use about 1 pump and I just distribute it evenly with my fingers. This is what we have to work with. Just quickly run your fingers through. Okay, so now that your hair is all curled, you're just gonna grab a French pin, section your hair in half, twist, grab your French pin, push your pin up into your twist, and then gently push it back down. What I like to do is I like to gently pull these hairs down just to help cover up that hard line so it just looks seamless. And that is it. Here is a moment for this cute half up twist. So for the second one, you're going to need 2 hair ties. You can leave bangs out if you want, or if you want more of a sleek finish, just take them back. And you're just going to tie off your first ponytail as far back as you're able to take it. Grab your second ponytail. Do the same thing. Make sure you're not forgetting any hairs back here. So what you'll do here is twist your hair, cross over, and then tie it through like this. And then what I like to do is I take it to the back. I tie it again in the back. And then I bring it up one more time, just because of the length of my hair. And I tie it one last time. And then at this point, you can just secure the other pieces. And you can fluff it out if you'd like to, but this is it. If you want to, also you can finish it off with hairspray of your choosing. I'm going to hold off on it just for the sake of the other hairstyles, but this is what we're left with. All right, so the next one is going to be a low type of bun. So for this one, I'm going to leave some bangs out. And then I'm going to grab a hair tie, tie it into a low ponytail, and then create a little hole, push that hair through, and then twist it grab a clip, these hairs you can just gently tuck them in. And that's it. Now for the last hairstyle, you'll just need to gently comb your hair, part your hair wherever you'd like to part it. Just make sure that the line you part is as straight as you can possibly get it. Then you will grab a section like so. Grab a small bobby pin. Clip it into place. Same thing on the other side. And this is the final look. Well, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed these hair tutorials. Let me know which was your favorite in the comments.